Good morning to everyone. Today we have to round off the numbers to nearest 10, to nearest 100 and to nearest 1000. See here I have written one question here. So we have to solve it and write the answer. Now see, firstly we have to round off this digit to nearest 10, then to nearest 100 and then to nearest 1000. Now see how to do. In nearest 10, 10 is there na? So underline the last digit. In 100, 2 zeros are there, so underline last two digits. In nearest 1000, 3 zeros are there, so that means you have to underline the last three digits. Now see how to do this question. I am saying now you have to check the first underlined digit. Here the digit we have underlined, that is only one, that means this is the first underlined digit of yours. In this case, the first underlined digit means which comes first in underline, that is 1, and here the first underlined digit is 8. Get it? Now the solution is, if the first underlined digit is less than 5, means if the first underlined digit is 1, 2, 3 or 4. Here first underline digit is 2 na, means the first underline digit is less than 5. If the first underline digit is less than 5, then nothing to do. Which digit is underlined? Put 0 at that place, other all same. 2, 3, 4, 8, 1. Your question is done. Get it? Here also the first underline digit is 1. So that is again less than 5. So nothing you have to do. Just in place of underlined digit, put zeros, and other you have to write the same. Here last two digits are underlined. So write zeros in these two, in place of these two digits. Other you have to write same. 2, 3, 4, 8, 00. But if the first underlined digit is greater than 5, if the first underlined digit is 5 or greater than 5, means if the first underlined digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we have to add 1 to previous digit. Then we have to add 1 to previous digit, and in place of underlined digits we have to write 0 as well. In last three digits we have to write 0. So I have written here 3 zeros. But if the first underlined digit is greater than 5, then we have to add 1 to the previous digit. Means in place of 4, now I have to write 5. And other we have to write same. 2, 3, 5, 0, 0, 0 is our answer. Get it? Now the question in your mind is also that, and some students are doing this thing wrong also. Let us say your question is now, and you have to round off to nearest tens. That means nearest 10 means last digit you have to underline just. And now the last digit is 5. If the underlined digit is 5 and greater than 5, then also you have to add 1 to previous digit. If the first underlined digit is 5 or greater than 5, then you have to add 1 to the previous digit. Means in this place I have to write 0, but here the underlined digit is 5, that means I have to add 1 to the previous digit, here 2. So that means this is my answer. Get it? So now here one more question. See it. The question is 2, 3, 9, 8, 1. Here I have to write it nearest 10, here 1000, 100 sorry, nearest, and here nearest 1000. 2, 3, 9, 8, 1. 2, 3, 9, 8, 1. Now see, nearest 10 means one digit I have to underline. Nearest 100 means two digits I have to underline. Nearest 1000 means three digits, last three digits I have to underline. I have to check the first underlined digit. Now see it carefully. Here the first underlined digit is 1, means which is less than 5. So nothing to do, just in place of underlined digit I have to write 0, and other all digits I have to write the same. Get it? Now here the first underlined digit is 8. means more than 5. That means I have to add 1 to previous digit. But see here the previous digit is 9. So I can write here 10. No, after 9, 10 will come na, but here I will not write 10. So I will see these two digits collectively. I have to add 1 to previous digit na, but I can't able to add 9. Means I can't able to write here 10. Get it? So I have to add 1 to this collectively 39 now. 240, and in place of these two digits I have to write 0. Now 23981. Now here the first underlined digit is 9. Again greater than 5. That means I have to add 1 to previous digit. So here 24. That means this is my answer.